Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video lesson, we will learn how we can nest one structure inside another structure in C. So without any further ado, let's get started. Have a look at the image on the screen to understand the concept more clearly. So we have two structures, student and marks. Now we want to nest student structure inside mark structure. How we can do that? Now have a look at the another image. We know that using mark structure variable we can access mark structure data. Consider our mark structure variable is yum. Then by using yum.physics, yum.chemistry and yum.maths we can access mark structure data. But by using student structure variable, say yes, we cannot do so. So yes.name, yes.roll yes.percentage are invalid statement because the structure variable of student is declared inside mark structure. So by using yum.yes.name, yum.yes.roll yum.yes.percentage, we can access data of student structure. Now we are going to understand it practically. As you can see, code blocks ID is open and the new blank file is on the screen. Save the file as nest.st.c. Let's start coding. Hash include stdio.h int main opening brace. Now we are going to declare student structure. So struct student opening brace char name subscript 20 int roll float percentage. Now mark structure struct marks opening brace int physics int chemistry and int maths. One more statement struct student lowercase letter yes. Note that we have declared student structure variable lowercase letter s inside mark structure. This is known as nesting of structure. So here we have nested student structure inside mark structure. Now we are going to access data of student and mark structure using marks structure variable. So let's declare it struct marks, say lowercase letter yum, printf \n enter name gets yum.yes.name semicolon. Note that name is member of student structure but the student structure is nested inside mark structure, and to access mark structure element we need to write yum.physics, yum.chemistry and yum.maths. But by using yes structure variable we can access data of student. That's why we are using m.s.name. Okay, now printf \n, enter roll number, scanf %t, comma ampersand m dot s dot roll no. Now printf \n, enter percentage scanf %f, comma ampersand m dot s dot percentage, semicolon. Now marks, printf \n, enter physics marks, scanf %d, comma ampersand m dot physics, printf \n, enter chemistry marks, scanf %d, comma ampersand m dot chemistry, and finally printf \n, enter math marks, scanf %d, comma ampersand m dot maths, semicolon. Now displaying enter data. So printf \n, name equal to %s, comma m dot s dot name, semicolon, printf \n, roll number equal to %d, comma m dot s dot roll no, printf \n, percentage equal to %f, comma m dot s dot percentage, semicolon, printf \n, physics equal to %d, comma m dot physics, semicolon, printf \n, chemistry equal to %d, comma m dot chemistry, semicolon, printf \n, maths equal to %d, comma m dot maths, semicolon, and finally return 0, semicolon. Program is finished now. Save it again. Compile the program. Build, compile current file. Now run the program. Build, run. Enter name of student first. So enter name, say Krishna. Enter. Enter roll number, say 999. Enter percentage 98. Enter. Enter physics marks, say 88. Enter chemistry marks, say 99. Enter math marks, say 100. Entered. And you can see the output on the screen. So that's all for this video lesson. Hope you enjoy it. If you did, hit the like button to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch the upcoming interesting video lessons. If you have any doubt or query regarding this video lesson, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.